All right, it's our last weekly video. This is the last week of the semester, and I just want to commend you all for all of the incredible work you've done this semester and all of the perseverance and tenacity that you've shown. I know this semester has been so challenging for a variety of reasons, and I really appreciate all of your hard work and the time and energy that you've spent in our class. I hope that it has been beneficial for you. I've really enjoyed seeing you all learn and grow as writers, so I hope that this class has been something that you've learned some stuff from, and you'll be able to take this to your careers and help yourselves move along in life. So there are a few remaining tasks this week to be completed, so let's go ahead and scroll down all the way to week 16. Whoops, too far. And these last few tasks, will help me to get some feedback about the class and also will help you to do some reflection on our work. So for what our project here, the labor number 5 project handout, we'll go ahead and take a look at what we're doing this week. So we are going to do a course improvement survey and a labor-based grading contract survey in addition to our final reflection. Okay, so our final reflection, let's take a look at the assignment handout so that you have an idea of what you're doing. So for our final reflection, it is just a way for us to consider what we've learned this semester and all of the things that we've been doing. So this is a comprehensive letter. It's a letter. We started the class with a letter where you introduced yourself to me, and now we're finishing the class with a letter. This is also for English 109. So the reflective letter is broken down into these 4 kinds of knowledge: self-knowledge, content knowledge, writing knowledge, and critical knowledge or judgment. And I encourage you to respond to at least 3 to 4 of these questions in your letter. So self-knowledge is kind of self-reflection, how you're developing as a writer, what you learned about your writing process. Content knowledge is the content we learned this semester. So we did a lot of learning about different kinds of technical writing and different techniques and strategies and things like that. So what did you learn this semester? What did you learn from your peers, maybe, by considering other points of view? Writing knowledge is about the choices that you make as a writer. So what did you learn about writing this semester by reading your own essays and others? What have you learned about the rhetorical demands of audience, purpose, and genre? Which of these choices are most effective in your writing and why? And then critical knowledge asks you to think about the strengths and weaknesses in your writing. So what's the best paper in the semester that you wrote? What improvements would you make to work? Would you make if you had more time to work? What's the most important thing you learned in the course? How do you expect to use what you've learned in the future? So the requirements are that you should have letter formatting. It should be at least over 1 page in length, and then addresses all of the 4 main areas. I would encourage you to also use evidence from your writing, so maybe examples and things like that. And be sure to spend some time reading for editing to make sure that you don't have typos and mechanical errors. So that's the final reflection that is due on Friday by 11:59 p.m. We also have a course improvement survey, and unfortunately I can't show you the questions. I don't think. Oh, I can. All right. I can show you. So the responses to this is gathered by the college, and then the responses to this will be anonymously shared with me. So I will not be able to see any of your individual responses. I just get the information long after the semester has ended to help me make improvements to the class. So I appreciate your time and energy in doing this because it really does help me make the class better for the future. This class is special this time around because I've never taught this class before at MPC. So I really would appreciate your ideas and feedback, and it gives you some information about the class and allows you to give some more feedback as well, written feedback. So please complete that by Wednesday. And again, all of your responses are anonymous to me. I do not see them associated with your name ever. And then we also have a labor-based grading contract survey. So this is the first semester that I've used the labor-based grading contract, and I want some feedback from you about it. This is, again, anonymous, and they'll have helped me adapt and improve the labor-based grading contracts. And the information you provide here may be used by me in some professional development presentations, but it's all anonymous. So I've just asked you a few questions and then given you some space if you'd like to give me more suggestions. And again, I appreciate your help with this. So that's due by Friday. And that's it. Once you get all of that done, the class is complete, and I will be working on your grades throughout the next week, and you will be able to see them on Moodle. So if you have any questions, please let me know.